Have you ever wondered why some children listen with love instead of fear? What if kindness was better than shouting? This is the story of Zion.
Zion, it's time to clean up before dinner.
Just 5 more minutes, Mom.
Okay, Zion, now it's time to put the toys away.
But I'm still playing.
I know you're having fun. Responsible children clean up after themselves. Let's do it together.
Okay, Mom.
Zion, great job!
The room looks so nice now.
Because you helped, we have time for a story.
Yay! Thank you, Mom.
I'm proud of you, Zion.
I like helping.
This is beautiful, Zion.
I made it just for you, Mommy.
Guide with patience, kindness, and encouragement. Help children develop confidence and good character.